lovely, so welcome back and welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Now I was just on my way out the door and I was going to apply my foundation, and I decided to do it on camera because I wanted to speak about this LA Girl Pro Matte foundation that I picked up about 2 weeks ago. I don't know if this is their newest foundation, but it says it's a Pro Matte and I wanted to test this out and see if it's actually going to work for my skin. Now I purchased this in a drugstore. I cannot remember the name of it, but I think I paid £9.99, and I've been hearing really good things about this foundation. And of course it's matte, and I love to wear matte foundations because I have oily skin problems. So I always gravitate towards matte foundations. Now this one here says it's HD, it's long wear, and it's a matte foundation, and this is in the shade Cappuccino. So I am going to apply today for you guys, and I'm going to wear it out for the rest of the day and see how well it works, if it's actually going to last on my skin, because you know a lot of these foundations claim to be long wear and 2 hours in and your face is looking like you've been dipped in oil. Seriously. So we are going to test this out and I'm going to see how it works, and if it does work, I'll be picking up some more, no doubt. So I've already moisturized my face and I'm going to go ahead and prime with this Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Primer. So let's go ahead and do that. I have never done a video like this, guys, where I put my foundation on and wear it throughout the day, but I was quite keen on trying it out because I've seen other lovely girls try it out and I wanted to try it out as well, because I always just, you know, do first impressions or reviews on foundations, but I've never actually done the wear test, if you will. So that's what I'm about to do today. I'm not going to put any powder on top of my primer. I usually do that, but because I want to see how well this foundation wears, I'm just going to go ahead and prime as per usual, and then I'm going to put my foundation on. Now I've been testing out drugstore foundations since the other day. Usually I'm not a big fan of drugstore foundations, but I've been really finding some good ones. Like for example the Maybelline Satin Liquid. I love that one, and I've been trying this one out, and also, which one? I cannot remember the other one. But I've been trying this one. Oh, the Rimmel. The Rimmel and the Maybelline. So I want to see how this works. So let's apply. So it has a pump, which is good. Let's see what it says here. It's medium to full coverage. It's smooth, long wear, suede finish. So I'm going to do a couple pumps. Looks pretty dark. And then I'm going to distribute that all over my face. It's a little bit dark, so maybe I need to go a shade up. I think I need some more. Okay. It is a little bit dark, guys, but already it's a very soft finish. It feels weightless. It blends out easily. And evenly, of course. I love the way it blends. It covered majority of my acne scars, but I want everything to be covered, so I'm going to go back in with a couple more pumps. So it does dry down to a matte finish. But of course I'm going to set that with my powder because I have oily skin, and in order for my foundation not to slip off my face, I have to set it. It's a little bit dark. Mind you, when I bought it, I didn't test it, so yeah, that explains a lot. But so far so good, guys. So far I'm really liking it. It gives a nice coverage and you can build it up as much as you want. Well, because it's going to be a daytime where I don't want to apply too much foundation, but it feels very lightweight. It covered majority of my spots. It's a matte finish. It's very comfortable, very, very comfortable. Never mind it being a little bit dark. This is just a demo. So if I really like it, I'm definitely going to get my right shade. Okay, so this is what it looks like for now. So I'm going to go off camera, finish up my face, and I'm going to wear it out throughout the day. And then I'm going to check in with you guys. Let me see what time it is. It's 11:10. So that's the time that I apply the foundation. So I'm going to wear it out throughout the day. And then I'm going to check in with you guys and see how it actually wears, to see if it's actually long wear. Okay, so I've done my brows, my eyes, and I've put on a bit of lipstick, not too much. And I wasn't going to set my face, but I thought maybe I should a little bit. So I'm going to be using my MAC MSF powder in Dark Deep just to set my oily areas. So it's dried down really, really matte, guys. You don't have to wear powder, especially if you don't have oily skin like I do. So you can just wear it out as it is, but I'm just going to go ahead and set it just a little bit. That will do. I didn't highlight or anything. I should have, because I wanted everything to tie in nicely, but I didn't bother to highlight because I wasn't really in the mood for that. But I know if I had highlighted under my eyes, the foundation would have looked a bit better. But as I said, I'm going to have to get my proper shade if I actually like it. Okay, so that's my face all done with the foundation on. So I'll be back later on to tell you guys the final result. See you soon. Hey guys, so I just got back home and it's now 7:43 and I had put this foundation on at 11:10. So basically I've been wearing this for over 8 hours. And all I'm going to say to you guys is that I love this foundation. I mean, I have a bit of oil going on in my T-zone area, but that's natural for me because I have oily skin. Now, this foundation held up pretty well, and I was very impressed with how it worked, how it made my skin look even, and it's just an overall lovely foundation, and I will give it a 7 out of 10. And the reason I'm giving it a 7 out of 10 is because you have to leave room for improvement. You cannot make these brands too comfortable. So I give it a 7 out of 10. And what else do I want to say? I want to say that it held up pretty well, as I mentioned before. It did not give me too much oil. I mean, I've worn foundations for like 5 hours. And when you look at my face, I look like a piece of chicken, like literally chicken that you fried. I look that greasy. But with this foundation, I did not find my face too greasy, and I did not put any powder on my face before I applied the foundation. I didn't do any of that. So I am pretty impressed with this foundation. I'm going to go back to the store and get my right shade. Yes. So make sure that you go and check out LA Girls Pro Matte Foundation. I got this from Beauty Base, but you can get it from beautybay.com if you're in the UK. And yeah, I'm going to pick up a couple more bottles because I'm really, really liking it. It's not I mean, guys, I have seen my face where I bought like expensive foundations, and when you look at my skin, I just look so horrible. I know I'm not looking that great right now because obviously I've been wearing this for over 8 hours, which is a long time for me. Okay, but I wanted to test this out for you guys to let you know that this is a great foundation, and I do give it a thumbs up. So make sure you go and purchase one for yourself and then come back and tell me how you liked it. So it ticks all the boxes for me. It does transfer. I have to tell you that it does transfer, but you know, it's £9.99. You're not going to get anything different. It did not say non-transferable. So yeah, it does transfer, and I don't know if it lasted so long on my face because it wasn't a hot day, but overall, great foundation, you guys. I'm really liking this, and I'm going to go get a couple more bottles and get my right shade. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you want to try this out. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and turn the notifications on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.